I want to introduce you to our Tween Teen Skin Fitness Kit. Now, when you're thinking tween and teen, you want to think gentle, you want to think fun, you want to think easy, and the main thing is that you want them to clean their skin. Now, I myself have had 3 teenagers, and I started each one of them on this kit. It was easy and quick and doable. So I've chosen for the first product is the Superfruit Exfoliating Wash-Off Cleanser because you want them to clean their skin. So this is going to give you an effective, gentle clean. You can use it in the shower, you can travel with it, so you can pop it in a sports bag. This is going to keep the pores clean. It's going to get the grime off their faces, and it's going to help lightly tone their skin. It smells great too. It's got a lovely blueberry scent, and that's all natural as well. So it's fun to use. The second product is a bit controversial because it's vitamin C brightening serum, but this one is a natural vitamin C. It's not from a synthetic vitamin C. Teenagers and tweens do not need a synthetic vitamin C, they don't need hyaluronic acid, they don't need any of those things. Everybody needs a vitamin C though, and a natural one is the way to go for a tween or a teen. This is going to help tone the skin. It's going to help keep the skin bright and healthy. It's going to help with blemishes. It's going to keep the pores clean, help protect against UV. So this one can even be used as a very, very light, ultralight moisturizer if that's all your teen requires. It's going to help with blemishes. If you do get a little bit of blemishes, you can pop this on that area as well. And helps fight free radicals. We all need that because it's antioxidant. The third product is our Balance and Replenish Light Moisturizer. So if your teen needs, or tween, needs a little bit of extra moisturizer, this is the product to use. It's light but effective. It's going to help balance the pH. It's going to help protect the skin barrier. It's full of lovely botanical native superfoods, and it's going to help keep the skin nourished and protect the skin. And then, of course, lastly, during the day, you need to use a sun protection, so a sunblock. So our fabulous Tween Teen Skin Fitness Kit, I recommend for all teenagers as a starter kit.